What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. Did you recently buy your BMW, but you have a wing here that somebody else put on and it doesn't reflect your personalized style? Well, in today's video, we're going to be putting on a wing to reflect this customer's personalized style, and it's a wing that you don't typically see out on the street. It's the GTS style wing, and it's right here. You don't see it? It's right here. Told you, right here. And that's a pretty nice looking wing. Let's get into the video. Since this M3 sees quite a bit of track time, it decided to take a page from the M4 GTS playbook, which is also its most striking feature as well, the GTS wing. This wing is perfect for this M3, as it will combine the best attributes of track performance, street drivability, and BMW heritage. As we do with every car, we took our utmost care to take the most precise measurements, grid the trunk with painter's tape, and even double checked our measurements after that. Then we removed the trunk liner and started drilling. Once we test fitted the bolts in the holes that we drilled, we removed the painter's tape and placed in the wing. A pro tip if you're doing this at home is that before you start drilling, measure the wing's bracket to the underside of the trunk, as you see here. This is going to make sure that the bolts evenly line up, preventing any wobble in the wing in its final resting place. Lastly, we snugged down the wing and made those necessary angle adjustments for maximum downforce. And just like that, you're all done installing the wing on your BMW. And as you can see here, this GT style wing is perfect for this BMW, which is going to see some track time. All those different points of adjustability are going to make sure that we have just the right amount of downforce when we're trying to decrease those track times. And if you don't know about this BMW going to the track and having those Sparko seats, which we installed in this video, go ahead and check that out. But if this isn't necessarily your style, go ahead and check the description to see our entire collection. And if you have any questions for us, please leave those down in the comment section as well. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see all of you guys in the next one.